Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Universal Containers (UC) is replacing the homegrown CRM solution with Salesforce. UC has decided to migrate operational, open and active records to Salesforce, while keeping historical records in legacy system. UC would like historical records to be available in Salesforce on an as-needed basis. Which solution should a data architect recommend to meet business requirement? Option A. Leverage real-time integration to pull records into Salesforce. Option B. Build a swivel chair solution to go into the legacy system and display records. Option C. Leverage mashup to display historical records in Salesforce. Option D. Bring all data in Salesforce and delete it after a year. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Leverage mashup to display historical records in Salesforce. Question 2. Universal Containers has 30 million case records. The case object has 80 fields. Agents are reporting performance issues and timeouts while running case reports in the Salesforce org. Which solution should a data architect recommend to improve reporting performance? Option A. Contact Salesforce support to enable skinny table for cases. Option B. Build reports using custom Lightning components. Option C. Create a custom object to store aggregate data and run reports. Option D. Move data off of the platform and run reporting outside Salesforce and give access to reports. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. Contact Salesforce support to enable skinny table for cases. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.